Yo, what up guys? Quick hack for protecting your frame on your bike whenever you lose a chain or when you're working in this area. So this has a chain guard protector on the frame right here. It's just a sticker though. It doesn't go around, it doesn't extend, so it's not very thick. So this is just a quick thing you can do to help protect this area. So I'm just using some packing tape. I want it to be about that long. And then you're going to cut it about, depends on your tube size here, but I want to get it down to about here. So I'm going to start my cut right here, and hopefully so that's not the best piece, but I'm gonna go for it still. Make sure you start from the center out towards the edges. Try to work all those bubbles out. You can add more than one piece. If and when you lose a chain or scratch this area, you can always just take the tape off and use some ISO to clean the area and reapply more tape. I'm sure they have packing tape in different thicknesses, so a thicker one might be better than a thin one. And yeah, you saw, I just used a small piece, but that's just gonna help protect the frame for the future. So yeah, do that if you're interested. It's helped me out a lot for sure. Also, if you use a little heat, like a hair dryer, while you're doing this with the card, you'll be able to work out all the bubbles even better. So yep, have a good one.